how to use ChatGPT voice mode for free. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT voice mode on a Windows PC. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. If you want to talk to chat directly without typing, this video is for you. So stay with me till the end. Let's begin. First, open your browser and go to chatgpt.openai.com. Log into your OpenAI account. If you don't have one, just sign up, it's free. Once you're in, select GPT-4 from the top center. Now, click the microphone icon at the bottom right. You'll see a blue orb. This means voice chat is active. Speak naturally. You can mute from the mic icon and change the voice from the top right menu. To end, just tap the exit icon. And that's how you use ChatGPT voice on your Windows PC. That's all for the video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.